All right, so I was given this air duster in exchange for my honest review. So this is the Roedix R9. This is a small and powerful air duster. So let's just do an unboxing here. This would be great for cleaning off like computer keyboards, any kind of vents like car vents, any kind of air vents or air filter vents that you had. It's got some instructions, attachment with a brush so you can kind of loosen the dust and it'll blow it off as well. This is the charging cable. It's got a USB-A on one end and a USB-C on the other end. Got some nice protective packaging. So you can see how small this one is. And it has a very high powerful fan. So this one has a charge plug-in right there for the USB-C. So what we're going to do before we test it is we're going to go ahead and make sure it's fully charged. So I'll check back in with you later. This just has a very simple operation. It has an on-off button here. You hold that on till the lights light up, let you know it's fully charged. And then it has like a variable speed. This is off at the bottom and high on the top. It's a slider. And it really blows out a lot of air. It only needs this one attachment. It just pops on the end, has brushes. So if you say we're cleaning like a computer keyboard, you could brush it. No, it blew the box off the table. So anyway, it's real nice because the brush loosens up any dust. It's really good for all sorts of computer and electronics applications where you don't want dust getting into things. So it really cleans like around the keys, around the hinges, those kind of things usually get dusty. It also good for blowing out the ports and things like that. With this off, we even used it when we bathed our dog and she stays really wet because it's just room temperature air and it's not hot. I even used it to kind of blow dry her hair because it's very powerful. So, and it's nice that you can adjust the speed so it's not too strong. If you want to be gentle, you can be gentle. If you really want to give something full force, it does that. So this would be good for anything that dust collects on. So like air vents in your car, fan blades, whether it be a ceiling fan or just any kind of fan, it would blow the dust off of things like that. If you were cleaning electronics, things that you don't want to touch with your finger, but you just need to clean them off, it would be great for items like that. So this is a very powerful Roedix R9 duster.